This is a 2009 Chevrolet Aveo. It features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window defroster, a CD player, variable valve timing, a passenger side vanity mirror, tinted glass, OnStar, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Momentum Chevrolet of Tulsa is located at 707 West 51st Street in Tulsa. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.